Hey guys, if you're curious what it sounds like on your Ford F-150 with a 3.5 EcoBoost to get an aftermarket intake and what those induction noises sound like and turbo noises and all that stuff, I'm going to roll some clips here, some videos that I took, so just stay tuned and we'll show you what that's like. So this is the AFE Magnum Stage 2 dry filter with these dual cone. The low RPM, high load, high gear sound from the turb ski is insane. Like, if I slow down right here and then just